She doesn't bleed, she doesn't age, she doesn't sleep, and yet, she just signed a $3 million deal with a global fashion brand, and she doesn't even exist. Welcome to the era of AI influencers. The most powerful people online aren't people anymore. They're digital, designed, and they're about to change everything. The rise. AI influencers are digital characters powered by artificial intelligence. They look human, speak like humans, post like humans, but they're 100% machine-made. Between 2023 and 2025, the rise was quiet. Niche accounts, stylized experiments. Then came the explosion. Lil Miquela, the robotic teen with millions of followers. Noonoouri, luxury fashion's favorite virtual doll. Imma, Tokyo's pink-haired icon. CodeMiko, part influencer, part glitchy livestream chaos. Aitana Lopez, the Spanish bombshell engineered to never age, complain, or underperform. These aren't just avatars, they're global brands. Their faces are optimized, their captions are written by marketers, and their engagement is real. We've officially moved from creators to creations. The future of fame no longer needs a birth certificate, and they're not coming, they're already here. They're growing followers faster than most human influencers, and they never sleep. Why brands love them. No mood swings, no scandals, no days off. AI influencers give brands total control. Style can be changed in seconds. Scripts are written, approved, and executed flawlessly. No PR disasters ever. You don't have to fly them to Paris, book hotels, or deal with ego. They're customizable, scalable, and cheaper than human celebrities. They work 24/7, speak any language, and deliver perfect content every single time. That means one virtual model can run campaigns in London, Seoul, and Sao Paulo simultaneously. And the truth? Gen Z doesn't care if it's real. They care if it looks real. And if it performs, brands will pour ad money into it without asking questions. The money machine. These characters are more than influencers. They're intellectual property. That means they can be owned, licensed, monetized, and cloned. Their creators earn passive income from brand deals, licensing, merch, music, even virtual meet and greets. Some earn $10,000 to $100,000 per post without lifting a finger. And unlike humans, they don't need sleep, agents, or contracts. These aren't people, they're digital assets with infinite shelf life. And here's the cheat code. One character, infinite clones, zero limits. Build her once, and she can work for you forever. The threat to human influencers. Real influencers are in trouble, and they don't even see it coming. AI influencers don't make mistakes. They don't get tired. They don't demand pay raises. They can post in 10 languages, wear 50 outfits in a day, and never complain about burnout. In an algorithm-driven world, that's lethal. They don't take breaks. They don't get canceled. They never age. They don't argue with brands. They don't demand contracts. They don't show up late. They are built to perform and outperform at scale. Every photo is perfect. Every post is strategic. Every word is optimized. And behind the screen, there's no ego, just execution. While human creators worry about lighting, makeup, travel, and anxiety, their digital replacements are working 24/7, optimized for clicks, likes, and brand conversions. The influencer industry was built on personality, beauty, and presence. But now, those same traits can be coded. Why hire one model when you can build the perfect one and own her forever? And the audience, they're adapting fast. The more we scroll, the less we care if what we're watching is even real. We just want to be entertained. And AI delivers exactly that, on demand, on brand, every single time. This is just the beginning. What you've seen is just version 1. The next generation of AI influencers will speak, think, and evolve in real time. Some will host podcasts, others will launch YouTube channels, release music, even date their fans. They'll have synthetic voices, interactive personalities, emotional storylines. Their lives will be scripted to perfection, drama and all. They'll never age, never fade, never lose relevance. Every move they make will be tested by data before going public. And with each iteration, they'll get more lifelike, more relatable, more addictive. And the wildest part? You'll start forgetting who's real and who isn't. A digital face will become more trusted than a human one. And the most followed person on Earth might not even exist. Not born, not discovered, engineered. The influencer economy was built by humans, but the future of influence, that belongs to machines. You don't need a childhood. You don't need talent. You don't even need a body. All you need is code, a character design, and a vision. An idea can now be more powerful than a person. A pixel can hold more value than a paycheck. We've entered an era where stories sell, and storytellers can be simulated. What matters is attention, and AI knows exactly how to get it. Welcome to the age of influence, without existence. We just showed you a future where the most followed person on Earth might not even be a person. Where influencers don't sleep, don't age, don't complain, and never get canceled. Where code becomes charisma, and beauty is built, not born. This isn't science fiction, it's version 1. AI influencers aren't just coming, they're here, and they're multiplying. They speak every language, they post 24/7, they never forget your birthday. And they'll like your comment before a human even sees it. So ask yourself, when the audience no longer cares if it's real, what happens to the ones who still are? If you're a brand, are you adapting? If you're a creator, are you preparing? If you're a viewer, are you even noticing? The rules of the game have changed. Influence no longer needs a pulse. It just needs data, design, and distribution. Drop a comment. Real or coded, let's test your instincts. Hit like if this video made you rethink everything you thought you knew, and subscribe, because this isn't a one-off. This is just chapter 1 of a revolution we're documenting in real time. You've just entered the era of influence without existence, and trust me, you'll want front row seats.